Josh, anything new for 2024 with CO2 meter?
Actually, a new ebook coming out here in the next 30 days. I know you guys are going to pick that up for us. It's going to detail a lot of new innovations in gas detection and safety. The ebook especially is going to highlight and focus on a brand new line of detection we're coming out with this summer. Going to allow us to get into a lot of the exotic gases, some of the hazardous gases. So for distributors here that don't just do CO2 for beverage or brewing, it allows us to help them and satisfy their customer needs for a lot of other gases.
Excellent. And aside from the products, what kind of resources do you guys offer from CO2 meter that might be able to help a distributor in their everyday business?
I mean, we start with the basics. Can we provide a sell sheet? Can we provide data sheets and manuals, the things that help them educate their customer and bring those solutions to light for the customer? And then on the back end, we've just launched in the last 60 days here, we've launched a brand new program to do sales training for distributors. We can either come in-house or have them actually come down to Florida. We'll do a full training on the products and services that they want to offer from CO2 meter. It allows their sales teams to get up to speed and feel comfortable selling those products right out of the gate.
Excellent. And we're here in San Antonio. Maybe some of the distributors couldn't make it. Why don't you take us through a couple of the products that you have here and tell them how they would use them?
Yeah, perfect. So I think the main one that we're focused on is the brand new CM900 series. This is the 902. It's a stainless steel model. This one does low oxygen. There's a 902 model and a 900 model. This is IP64 rated, so it allows us to get into washdown environments. 304 stainless on this one allows us to get into FDA compliant locations and facilities to make sure we're meeting those FDA standards. But these products and devices are critical to help distributors satisfy their customer needs, keep them safe, make sure that they're compliant, and that their customers are mitigating risk. So these products and opportunities are all available for all the distributors to provide to their customers.
All right, very good. There's your update from CO2 meter. Thank you very much, Josh and Morgan, for everything you guys do for us throughout the year. We appreciate it, and it's always great to see you at the shows.
Thank you. Appreciate it, sir.
All righty.